Good morning, good morning. So we're on an app called Publer, and this is where you can schedule out content. So as you can see, I'm pressing on Facebook and Instagram, right? So I'm going to get my content from my computer that I already have. So you make sure you have yours. Once I click on my content, right, I'm going to upload it to the app called Publer. And this is where I can schedule out my content for more than 30 days on different platforms. Okay. Now I want a status, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to tell it to, give me a prompt for this video. Now, sometimes ChatGPT can look at the video and give you a prompt or give you a status, but today it just was not right with me. It wasn't working with me today, but you're gonna see I'm gonna try to talk to it, okay? So what I'm doing here is attaching the video. You can attach a video and ask it to kind of look at it and tell it what you think, stuff like that. It's like your personal assistant. So if you use ChatGPT and Publer together, oh my God, your life can be so easy. So I'm just coming on here showing you a little bit. So it asked me to share a little bit more, right? Share a little bit more. And I'm asking it right now, can you look at the video, please? But, it's going to be okay. So it's not working with me today, but I use ChatGPT for almost a lot of things. So I said, can you take a look at the video, please? Right. So it's telling me about the video, showcase products and stuff like that. And I'm going to say, yes, it's about purse vendors, right? Because I'm going to show you guys some purse vendors for your business. So I wanted to give me a status. Now look, here go my status with some emojis. It also gives me some hashtags as well. So I'm going to post this on my Facebook, put it right there for my Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to paste that on there, right? Then I'm going to paste all of it on there that the ChatGPT prompt gave me. And I'm going to put it on there, right? Yep. After I do that, I'm just going to click the word schedule, right? Make sure everything look good. So I'm going to schedule this out for Monday, right? Let me know today is the 23rd, which is a Thursday. I'm going to schedule this for 4:49 p.m., which is good. All good. So I'm going to hit the word schedule, and that's it. That's how easy it is for you to schedule content. You can schedule out more content if you like. Let me know if you like this subscribe, and comment. Bye.